Imagine making your own video game, animation, social media site, or anything else that you'd want to do on your phone or computer. Well, it uses coding, and that's explained today. Hey everybody, I'm Benji, and today we are going to discuss something called coding. Have you ever wondered how your favorite app or video game is made? Well, it's made through a process called coding, or programming. In the next few videos, I'll show you how to make your own games, animations, and apps through coding. But for this video, I will show you what coding is. Coding or programming is a series of steps given to a computer. The computer follows these steps and makes the game or the app. For example, let's say we were making a soccer game and we needed to control one of the soccer players. Now, we cannot just say to the computer, play soccer. The computer has no idea how to play soccer. It's never been explained before to the computer. However, the computer already has some simpler commands that we can use. So let's use those. For example, let's say we would want the player to move to the right. So we would say, when I move right on the joystick, move to the right. And the player moves to the right. This is how coding works. Now, when we add all the other instructions, such as moving in other directions, adding other players, adding a soccer ball, and goals, we have a full working game of soccer. There are many languages in coding, just like there are many languages in the world. Some of these languages are HTML, C++, Java, and Python. However, the computer doesn't understand plain English, so coding uses special keywords for each command. If you want to start coding now, you might want to try Scratch, which is a coding language made up of blocks. We'll be covering Scratch in the next several videos, making our own apps, video games, and animation. Scratch is at scratch.mit.edu. And that's my introduction to coding. If you like learning how to make your own video games and apps through coding, hit that subscribe button because we'll be covering that a lot. Next video, I'll show you how to use Scratch. See ya!